और जल्दी बोलो। स्पीक मोर क्विकली। स्पीक मोर क्विकली। मैं आज रोहन के शिक्षक से बात करने के लिए स्कूल जा रहा हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू द स्कूल टुडे टू टॉक टू रोहन्स टीचर। आई एम गोइंग टू द स्कूल टुडे टू टॉक टू रोहन्स टीचर। मैं इसे कल साफ करूंगा। आई एम गोइंग टू क्लीन इट टुमारो। आई एम गोइंग टू क्लीन इट टुमारो। मुझे सताओ मत। डोंट अनॉय मी। डोंट अनॉय मी। मैं कल पार्टी कर रहा हूँ। आई एम हैविंग अ पार्टी टुमारो। आई एम हैविंग अ पार्टी टुमारो। हवा से तुम्हारे बाल बिगड़ गए। द विंड हैज मेस्ड योर हेयर। द विंड हैज मेस्ड योर हेयर। मुझे माफ कर दो। आई एम सॉरी। आई एम सॉरी। तुमने इसे क्या खाकर पैदा किया था? What did you eat when he was in your womb? What did you eat when he was in your womb? जान में जान आई। What a relief. What a relief. तुमसे पूछता हूँ। I ask you. I ask you. मैं दिल्ली से हूँ। I am from Delhi. I am from Delhi. मुंह बंद कर नहीं तो बहुत तेज तमाचा खाएगा। Shut up or I will slap you hard. Shut up or I will slap you hard. वो मैंने कब कहा? When did I say that? When did I say that? हाँ या नहीं? Yes or no? Yes or no? कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं है, पानी चलेगा? There is no cold drink. Will the water do? There is no cold drink. Will the water do? कमीज खोलो। Undo your shirt. Undo your shirt. शायद माँ के घर जाऊं। I might go to my paternal home. I might go to my paternal home. मैंने धूम्रपान करना 2 साल पहले ही छोड़ दिया। I gave up smoking 2 years ago. I gave up smoking 2 years ago. और क्या करता मैं, मेरी इज्जत दांव पे लगी थी। What was I supposed to do? My honor was at stake. What was I supposed to do? My honor was at stake. तुम्हें इतनी देर क्यों लगती है? Why do you take so long? Why do you take so long? उसको भी मेरी तरह सिर दर्द हो गया। She has got a headache like me. She has got a headache like me. हे भगवान, मैंने दरवाज़ा तो खुला ही छोड़ दिया। Oh God, I left the door open. Oh God, I left the door open. तकिया लगा लो। Rest your head on a pillow. Rest your head on a pillow. सब खत्म। All are gone. All are gone. क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकता हूँ प्लीज? May I know your name please? May I know your name please? ये बहुत टाइट है। It's too tight. It's too tight. अरे परेशान मत हो। Oh, don't bother. Oh, don't bother. रसोई में जूठे बर्तन रखे हैं। Dirty dishes are in the kitchen. Dirty dishes are in the kitchen. मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा हो। I don't want this to happen. I don't want this to happen. तुम्हें समझ में आया उसने क्या कहा? Did you understand what he said? Did you understand what he said? कोई भी संतुष्ट नहीं है, क्या गरीब क्या अमीर। No one is satisfied, whether the poor or the rich. No one is satisfied, whether the poor or the rich. मैं अपने कान छिदवा रही हूँ। I am getting my ears pierced. I am getting my ears pierced. बहुत साफ सफाई करनी बाकी है। There is a lot of cleaning to be done. There is a lot of cleaning to be done. क्या मुझे देर हो गई? Am I late? Am I late? मैं तुम्हें 4 दिनों की मोहलत दे रही हूँ। I am giving you 4 days grace. I am giving you 4 days grace. उसने जानबूझकर गिलास तोड़ा। He broke the glass on purpose. He broke the glass on purpose. दूध फाड़ने के लिए इसमें नींबू का रस डाल दो। Add lemon juice to curdle the milk. Add lemon juice to curdle the milk. उसके साथ थोड़ी दिक्कतें हैं तो वो खुश नहीं है। She has a few problems, so she is not happy. She has a few problems, so she is not happy. बारिश हो सकती है। It may rain. It may rain. उसके पैरों में बहुत जोर से लगी है। She has a nasty bruise on her shin. She has a nasty bruise on her shin. मैं किसी से आंख नहीं मिला पा रही थी। I wasn't able to face anybody. I wasn't able to face anybody. उत्तर सुनाओ। Say the answer. Say the answer. मैं ठीक हूँ। I am fine. I am fine. 1 घंटे पहले। 1 hour ago. 1 hour ago. इनको अपने घर में चैन नहीं मिलता है क्या? Don't they find their home good enough to stay? Don't they find their home good enough to stay? मैं हर साल अपना जन्मदिन मनाती हूँ। I celebrate my birthday every year. I celebrate my birthday every year. लंच टाइम में बाहर खेलने जाता है। He goes out to play during lunch time. He goes out to play during lunch time. वो चलेगा। That will do. That will do. उसने गलती कर दी। She has mistaken. She has mistaken. दिमाग खराब हो गया है तुम्हारा घर में बैठे बैठे। You have lost your mind staying at home all the time. You have lost your mind staying at home all the time. ना मत कहना। Don't say no. Don't say no. क्या तुम कर चुके? Are you done? Are you done? मेरी पीठ में दर्द है। My back hurts. My back hurts. लगता तो नहीं। It seems not. It seems not. रिया कितने बजे आ रही है? At what time is Riya arriving? At what time is Riya arriving? काम पर लग जाओ। Get to work. Get to work. बर्तन ठीक से साफ नहीं हुए हैं। The dishes are not cleaned properly. The dishes are not cleaned properly. कहाँ से सीखते हो ये सब? Where did you get such ideas? Where do you get such ideas? कोई आया है क्या? Has someone come? Has someone come? मैं तो भूल ही गया था। I had forgotten about it. I had forgotten about it. छोटी छोटी लोइयां बना लो। Shape the dough into small balls. Shape the dough into small balls. उसने अपने कानों पर जोर डाला ताकि वो सुन पाए कि वो क्या कह रहे थे। She strained her ears to catch what they were saying. She strained her ears to catch what they were saying. अच्छा, आखिरी दाम क्या लगाएंगे आप? Well, what is the best price that you can offer? Well, what is the best price that you can offer? इतनी जल्दी क्या है? What's the hurry? What's the hurry? इस पेज की कॉपी कर दो। Copy this page. Copy this page. तुमने अभी क्या कहा मुझे? What did you just say to me? What did you just say to me? क्या आपके पास ये लार्ज साइज में है? Do you have this in large size? Do you have this in large size? मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है। I am getting angry. I am getting angry. पैदल चले या बस कर लें? Shall we walk or get the bus? Shall we walk or get the bus? आपको हिचकी आ रही है? You have got hiccups. You have got hiccups. यह मेरे एक दोस्त के लिए है। This is for a friend of mine. This is for a friend of mine. तुम्हारे बाईं तरफ, टू योर लेफ्ट, टू योर लेफ्ट। ये किस बारे में है? What is it about? What is it about? कल रिया को बुखार था। रिया was running a fever yesterday. रिया was running a fever yesterday. बिल्कुल हाँ। Of course yes. Of course yes. लड़के वाले रिश्ता लेकर आए हैं। Suitors have come with the proposal. Suitors have come with the proposal. पैसे कमाने के लिए, to earn money. To earn money. आप सप्ताह में कितने दिन काम करते हैं? How many days a week do you work? How many days a week do you work? मैं कब से कह रहा हूँ ऐसा मत करो। I am telling you for so long not to do so. I am telling you for so long not to do so. मुझे संदेह है। I doubt it. I doubt it. वह मेरा दोस्त बनना चाहता था। He wanted to be my friend. He wanted to be my friend. दिखाना कैसे करना है? Show me how to do it. Show me how to do it. मुझे हल्का बुखार है। I have got a slight fever. I have got a slight fever. मैं आपके बहानों से तंग आ गया हूँ। I am fed up with your excuses. I am fed up with your excuses. मैं खून नहीं देख सकता। I can't stand the sight of blood. I can't stand the sight of blood. क्या तुम मुझे करके दिखा सकते हो कि इसे कैसे करना है? Can you show me how to do this? Can you show me how to do this? Buttons खोलो, undo the buttons, undo the buttons. वो मेरी कोई दोस्त वोस्त नहीं है। She is no friend of mine. She is no friend of mine. कोई परिपूर्ण नहीं होता। Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. वो भाग्यशाली है, उसके पास कुछ ही समस्याएं हैं। He is lucky he has few problems. He is lucky he has few problems. छोड़ो मेरा हाथ क्यों पकड़ रहे हो? Let go of my hand. Why are you holding my hand? Let go of my hand. Why are you holding my hand? मुझे तुम्हारी बात पर रत्ती भर भी भरोसा नहीं है। I don't believe you even a bit. I don't believe you even a bit. मैं इधर बहुत व्यस्त चल रही हूँ। I have been very busy recently. I have been very busy recently. एक मोमबत्ती जलाओ। Light a candle. Light a candle. कोई हर्ज नहीं है। There is no harm. There is no harm. पता नहीं इतना क्यों शर्माता है वो। I don't know why he is so shy. I don't know why he is so shy. जब वो आएंगे तो मैं कॉल कर दूंगी। I will call you when he comes. I will call you when he comes. मैंने याद किया है। I have memorized. I have memorized. तुम नाक क्यों सिकोड़ रहे हो? Why are you wrinkling your nose? Why are you wrinkling your nose? उसने कहा कि वह तुमसे मिलना चाहती है। She said that she wants to meet you. She said that she wants to meet you. उन लोगों से बहस करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। It's no use arguing with them. It's no use argue with them. अपने हाथ साबुन और पानी से धोएं। Wash your hands with soap and water. Wash your hands with soap and water. मुझे एक घर चाहिए, मेरा अपना घर। I want a home. My own home. I want a home. My own home. मैं शर्मिंदा हूँ। I am ashamed. I am ashamed. और बताओ। Tell me more. Tell me more. मुझसे मत पूछो। Don't ask me. Don't ask me. आपने कमीज उल्टी पहनी है। You have got your shirt on inside out. You have got your shirt on inside out. बाद में मिलते हैं। See you later. See you later. वह कल या परसों आएगा. He will come tomorrow or the day after. He will come tomorrow or the day after. कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here? What brings you here? मैंने उसे साथ आने का इशारा किया. I motioned him to join us. I motioned him to join us. आप कैसे हैं? मैं अच्छा हूँ, धन्यवाद. How are you doing? I'm good, thanks. How are you doing? I'm good, thanks. रसीद देंगे प्लीज? Would you give me the receipt please? Would you give me the receipt please? कार से कितना समय लगता है? How long does it take by car? How long does it take by car? चलो बाहर खा के आते हैं. Let's eat out. Let's eat out. मैं घर पर हूँ. I am home. I am home. जो मेरा नहीं वो किसी का नहीं. Who is not mine is not everyone else's. Who is not mine is not everyone else's. मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी ला दो वहां से. Get me a glass from there. Get me a glass from there. हट गई थी मेरी. I lost it. I lost it. उत्साह चला गया. Thrill has gone. Thrill has gone. धूप में कपड़ों का रंग उड़ जाएगा. Clothes would fade in the sunlight. Clothes would fade in the sunlight. और कम कीमत में कुछ है क्या? Do you have anything that is less expensive? Do you have anything that is less expensive? क्या ये फैलने वाली है? Is it contagious? Is it contagious? मैं सचमुच तुम्हारे लिए खुश हूँ. I am really happy for you. I am really happy for you. मुझे आपको कुछ दिखाना है. I want to show you something. I want to show you something. मुझे आपको सब कुछ समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't need to explain everything to you. I don't need to explain everything to you. अगर मैं जाऊंगा तो सबको पता लग जाएगा. If I go, everyone will get to know about this. If I go, everyone will get to know about this. एक मेरे लिए खरीद लो. Buy me one. Buy me one. अभी के लिए buy. Buy for now. Buy for now. मैं उसे सिर्फ धमकी दे रहा था. I was only threatening him. I was only threatening him. आप सच में दरिया दिल हैं. ये लोग आपकी बहुत तारीफ कर रहे थे. You are really generous. They were praising you a lot. You are really generous. They were praising you a lot. सच क्या है? What's the truth? What's the truth? वह मेरे दोस्त का मजाक उड़ाता है. He makes fun of my friend. He makes fun of my friend. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I don't understand. I don't understand. जब माँ आस पास होती है तो चीज़ें आसान हो जाती हैं. When mom is around, things become easy for me. When mom is around, things become easy for me. अगर मैं तेरी बातों पे यकीन कर भी लूँ तो क्या है तेरे पास गिरवी रखने के लिए? Even if I believe in what you have just said, what do you have as a collateral for my investment? Even if I believe in what you have just said, what do you have as collateral for my investment? चाहे जो हो जाए मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगा. Come what may, I will not do so. Come what may, I'll not do so. मैं अमीर नहीं हूँ. I am not rich. I am not rich. मैं अपने दिल की सुनने की हिम्मत कभी नहीं कर पाया. I never had the courage to follow my heart. I never had the courage to follow my heart. चलो वापस कक्षा में चलते हैं. Let's go back into the classroom. Let's go back into the classroom. हाँ, मैं उठ गई हूँ। यस आई एम अप। यस आई एम अप। मैंने उसे मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया। आई गेव हर एन एप्ट रिप्लाई। आई गेव हर एन एप्ट रिप्लाई। तुम्हें मुझे तुरंत फोन करना चाहिए था। यू शुड हैव कॉल्ड मी राइट देन। यू शुड हैव कॉल्ड मी राइट देन। ये दवाई दिन में कितनी बार लेनी है? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स अ डे शुड आई टेक दिस मेडिसिन? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स अ डे शुड आई टेक दिस मेडिसिन? आपके हारने का क्या कारण था? What was the reason behind your defeat? What was the reason behind your defeat? मुझे पानी में मेरा प्रतिबिंब दिख रहा था। I could see my reflection in the water. I could see my reflection in the water. मेरे पीठ में खुजला दो, मुझे खुजली हो रही है। Scratch my back, I have got an itch. Scratch my back, I have got an itch. पड़ोस में एक नया परिवार रहने आया है। A new family has moved in next door. A new family has moved in next door. कोई नहीं हिला। No one moved. No one moved. मुझे वहाँ ले चलो। Take me there. Take me there. फोन मत काटना। Don't hang up. Don't hang up. तुम सही कह रहे हो। You are right. You are right. उठना मत। Don't get up. Don't get up. क्या आप मेरी एक फोटो खींच सकते हैं? Would you take a photograph of me, please? Would you take a photograph of me, please? मेरे पैर दबाओ। Press my legs. Press my legs. तुम बिल्कुल मेरे भाई के जैसे हो। You are just like my brother. You are just like my brother. वो मजाक था पर तुमने तो सीरियसली ले लिया। That was a joke, but you took it literally. That was a joke, but you took it literally. मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है उसने मेरे लिए ऐसा कहा। I can't believe he said that about me. I can't believe he said that about me. खूबसूरती दिल और ज़मीर में होनी चाहिए। Beauty should lie in the heart and conscious. Beauty should lie in the heart and conscious. मेरा हाथ बटाओगे क्या? Would you please lend me a hand? Would you please lend me a hand? आप अपना इलाज क्यों नहीं करवाते? Why don't you get yourself treated? Why don't you get yourself treated? तुम मेरा पहला और आखिरी प्यार हो। You are my first and only love. You are my first and only love. मेरा जन्मदिन 3 फरवरी को आता है। My birthday falls on February 3rd. My birthday falls on February 3rd. देखो तुम्हें बहुत कड़ी मेहनत करनी होगी। See, you have got to work very hard. See, you have got to work very hard. उसकी दाढ़ी आने लगी है। He has begun to grow a beard. He has begun to grow a beard. तुम इसे स्वीकार करोगे या नहीं? Will you accept it or not? Will you accept it or not? मेरा हो गया। I am done. I am done. कुछ मत करो। Don't do anything. Don't do anything. अगर ज़रूरत पड़ेगी मेरी तो मैं ज़रूर जाऊंगा वहाँ। If the need arises, I will certainly go there. If the need arises, I will certainly go there. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। There's no need. There's no need. लेकिन अब कुछ गलत नहीं हो सकता। But nothing can go wrong now. But nothing can go wrong now. वह आजकल आजकल कहकर टाल देता है। He awaits by saying today or tomorrow. He awaits by saying today or tomorrow. अरे घर पर सब्जी खत्म हो गई थी तो सब्जी लेने आया हूँ। Oh, we have run out of vegetables, so I am here to buy some. Oh, we have run out of vegetables, so I am here to buy some. ना में सिर हिलाओ। Shake your head. Shake your head. इसमें कितने पेज हैं? How many pages has it got? How many pages has it got? कितनी बार कहना पड़ेगा आपसे कि चीज इस तरह से मत रखा करिए. How many times do I have to tell you not to put the things this way? How many times do I have to tell you not to put the things this way? 8 बजे तक आ जाना. Come by 8. Come by 8. नहीं, लेकिन मौसम बहुत अच्छा था. No, but the weather was very nice. No, but the weather was very nice. लाइन पर लिखो. Write on the line. Write on the line. उसे कभी पता नहीं चलना चाहिए कि तुम मेरी बेटी हो. He should never know that you are my daughter. He should never know that you are my daughter. लग रहा है मुझे उल्टी होने वाली है. I think I am going to throw up. I think I am going to throw up. मैं उससे उम्र में थोड़ी सी बड़ी हूँ. I am slightly older than her. I am slightly older than her. क्या मैं खोल दूँ? Shall I open? Shall I open? वो केवल नाम का हीरो है. He is a hero in name only. He is a hero in name only. कल सुबह तक का समय लग जाएगा. It's going to take until tomorrow morning. It's going to take until tomorrow morning. फोन कर देना. Give a ring. Give a ring. हाँ मत कहना. Don't say yes. Don't say yes. ये सही नहीं है. It's not fair. It's not fair. एक बात याद रखना. Remember one thing. Remember one thing. तुम पहले चलो. You go first. You go first. तुम अखबार पर बैठे हो. You are sitting on a newspaper. You are sitting on a newspaper. क्या तुम्हें परवाह है? Do you care? Do you care? वो मुझे हरा नहीं पाया. उसके बस की ही नहीं थी. He couldn't beat me. He was unable to do that. He couldn't beat me. He was unable to do that. पैर पटको. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. मैं बेताब हूँ. I am desperate. I am desperate. वो बहुत मनमोहक है. He is very adorable. He is very adorable. सब ठीक है. All is well. All is well. वो जो करती है करने दो. Let her do what she wants. Let her do what she wants. वह खुद अपनी ही कब्र खोद रहा है. He is digging his own grave. He is digging his own grave.